Hi everyone, today we're going to play Pig. The goal of the game is to get the most points possible without rolling a 1. So you need 2 dice. Player 1 is going to be yellow and player 2 is going to be purple. You're going to find the sum of the 2 dice you rolled. So for example, I have 2 plus 1, which is 3, but because I rolled a 1, I don't get those points, and it's player 2's turn. So player 2 is going to roll. 4 plus 5 is 9. And player 2 is going to take their chances and roll again. But because player 2 rolled 2 plus 1, which is 3, but because of this 1, player 2 doesn't get any of those points, and it's player 1's turn. Player 1 rolls 6 plus 4, you can see, which is 10. And player 1's going to take their chances and roll again. 5 plus 5 is 10. And player 1's going to take one more chance and roll. 4 plus 4 is 8. But player 1 is going to let player 2 go because he doesn't want to lose all these points that he's gained. So player 2 is going to roll. 6 plus 3 is 9. Player 2 is thinking that they're a little behind, so they're going to take their chance. 6 plus 6 is 12. Player 2 feels pretty good about that and is going to let player 1 go. Player 1 now has 2 plus 2. And is going to decide to roll again because that was a pretty small number. 5 plus 5 is 10. And player 1's going to stop there and say it's player 1's turn. Sorry, player 2's turn. 5 plus 5. Player 2 is going to pass it on to player 1 just because he doesn't want to lose those 10 points. Player 1 rolls a 1 plus 3, but because it's a 1 plus 3, even though it's 4, player 1 does not get those points. We're going to stop right there, and we're going to look and see who has won so far. Again, you can play to as many points as you want, but we're just going to stop right here. So 10 plus 10 plus 8. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 8 more, so this is 28 points. And then I see a 10 here, so that's going to be 38. And then I'm going to add my 4 right here, which is 42. So that's my total. And then I can see that 9 plus 12 is 21, because 9 and 2 is 11, and then 10 more. And then add this 10 from this turn, and I have 32. So in this case, 42 points wins, so player 1 has won this turn. So have fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Did anyone catch my mistake? Of course, 21 plus 10 is not 32. Like I said, it's 31.